SwiftGrade has two types of answer sheets, written and multiple choice. If your answer key contains written answers, use our written answer sheets. To download these, simply click the print icon for that assessment. Each written answer sheet is different and thus can only be used with the assessment it was created for. Lastly, written answer sheets can only be downloaded on our website, not our app. If your answer key is purely multiple choice, use our multiple choice answer sheets. Unlike written answer sheets, these can be used with any multiple choice assessment. To download these, head to your dashboard and click here. Note that although you can download multiple choice answer sheets on both our app and website, our website gives you customization options. Most teachers pre-print a stack of multiple choice answer sheets at the start of the year and use them as needed.